Hello guys, today we're going to mountain. Let's go! Hello guys, today we're going to mountain. Let's go!
Na tita, wala nang gawin. Morning tita. Good morning, good morning. You're going to Mount Rushmore? Good morning tita.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Can we come?
Yes, you can come. Wala na. Itong tissue.
Hindi na.
Okay. We're here at United States Border Station, Pembina, North Dakota. So yan, papunta kami sa South Dakota. We're going to visit the Ulu-Ulu. Ano yun? Yung
Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore. Mga iconic places na alam mo pag nakikita mo sa Pilipinas parang
Yung
ganda-ganda.
parang rich.
Oh yeah, yun. Yung may mga Ulu-Ulu basta nandoon kami pupunta ngayon. So biyahe kami ngayon ng Sabado and then it's around 10 hours drive. Ayan. And it's around 7 o'clock in the morning. So kasama namin sila Kuya Billy, si Kuya Brian. So bali tatlong family. Kasama rin sila Tita Nie and Tita Divine. Ayan. So
Mahina talaga ako.
ihing-ihi na si Aisha. Ano bang expect natin na arrival natin doon? Kung non-stop na driving around 4 o'clock.
Border.
Anak, teka lang. Alam mo, I can't concentrate right now. I really need to pee. My pee is already up here. I cannot move that much.
So we're expecting there to be around 4, pero syempre may mga bata kaming kasama. And we need to go lunch as well and merienda. So additional 2 to 3 hours. So mga around 6 PM. Yan. Oh, yan. Kami nasusunod dito kila Kuya. Yung sasakyan ni Kuya Brian, sasakyan ni Kebele, at yung sasakyan namin. So nandito kami ngayon sa may highway. Hindi ko alam kung saan. It's about 6 hours pa. 6 hours drive. And yan.
Hala, Akbar.
So yan. Stretching muna. Tapos kuha kami ng lunch. Hanap kami ng lunch. And then
We're
that's
going
it.
to eat now.
We're going to eat here? Yeah. Ah, okay. Dito na pala. So ito na pala yung lunch area namin. So papark lang ako ron sa kabila. Kasi bawal pala doon sa pinagparkan ko.
Si Rato, nilikan kami.
Hindi ah.
We're going to eat here.
Dito na raw pala tayo kakain.
Oo, gutom na nga ako. Hindi.
Halika, doon na pala kami kakain. It's about 5 hours and 20 minutes. You know, so dito na kami nagpagas after ng malayong biyahe, pang 20 minutes na drive ko. So ayun na, mga gas boys. There you go. There you go. Okay, so dito na kami ngayon sa Microtel. So dito na kami hotel, and it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Tapos bukas siguro magano kami, punta namin ng Mount Rushmore. It's around 40 minutes drive pa from here. Alright, good morning. So dito kami ngayon sa may Rapid City. Dito kami nag-check-in sa Microtel. And
Ay babe, dali natin to in case na uulan.
yeah, dadalhin natin. Umuulan talaga. Dito umuulan ngayon sa Rapid City. Pero sa Mount Rushmore, 40 minutes drive. Sabi ni Aisha, wala naman daw. Medyo cloudy nga lang talaga.
Grabe ka naman. Sabi ko, ba't ano ba ako?
Weather forecaster. So ito, yan, diyan kami sa may Microtel.
Blow dry your hair.
So ito yung room namin dito. Hindi naman siya ganun kalaki. sapat lang to ano,
What is it?
to have a nap or sleep.
Thank you, Mandy.
Ayan.
Wait, we have something for you.
What happened to Daddy's eyes?
Happened.
Wait there.
What happened? Is it red?
Remember it's like it's close
Twitching?
and then it's. I got it!
You know, kanin is life. I need to eat rice.
Rice is nice.
Yeah. Kasi dito, yung ano, yung breakfast nila, tinapay lang eh. Hindi ka lang mabubusog sa tinapay. Tapos mahaba pa yung araw namin.
Guys,
Wow.
Daddy, can you say that?
kasi hindi ko alam kung kakain ba kami ng kanin ngayong araw. So, kailangan ko kumain ng kanin para iwas migraine.
Iwas migraine, iwas beta histine. Iwas migraine, iwas vertigo.
It's Maggie's birthday today. It's Maggie's birthday today.
Ako naman, ang aking kukunin ay tubig,
Too bad.
outfit check. May pa-outfit check. So ito lang ang pormahan natin ngayon.
Daddy, can
So,
I
simple
show my
lang.
outfit?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Oh.
Outfit.
Hey, wear your rubber shoes.
My hair, I think it's from my dad or mom, and my jacket is from H&M, and my leggings were a gift. These Crocs are from Crocs. These socks were from Socks, and my bag was from this brand, whatever this is.
Okay.
And my hands were from my mom, I think. And then my shirt was from, I don't know. So yeah, there's my outfit. Daddy, show them.
Outfit check. Oh, kiss, kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. Outfit check si Arya. Oh, ayan, outfit check. Breezy, outfit check. Oh, pang ano lang,
Meron niyang
pang ulan. Ah, may hoodie pa. Ah, gusto mo rin. Oh, Crocs ka rin. Crocs.
Okay, so today I got this Hello Kitty hat from Ross. I got this shirt from I don't even know. And then I got this from also Ross. And then I got this from I don't know too. But I got my Crocs from my birthday.
Arya,
Bye. We're going to Mount Rushmore.
Puro hill na to eh. Oh. Tapos, ganda rin. Pero maulan.
I know. Pero hopefully sa Mount Rushmore hindi na ganito.
Punta kami ngayon sa cathedral ni ano? Cathedral
Our Lady Perpetual Help.
Our Lady of Perpetual Help. We'll start our day with a mass.
Yes, start our gala, our rainy journey. Our rainy gala for today.
Maulan
It's a rainy season
dito sa Rapid City.
here in Rapid City.
May translator ako. Pwede. May AI translator pala ako. So, as you can see, so nakikita nyo ngayon,
As you can see,
medyo maulap.
a little bit cloudy.
Ba't nag-accent?
Kasi may accent si Google, di ba? Or nagtatagalog minsan sino ba yung nagtatagalog? At narito na.
Oh, wow, pwede. So we are 5 minutes away
We are 5 minutes away
sa aming destinasyon.
to our destination. So help us God.
So, Pascal.
Lord, wag naman po sana umulan
Huwag
sa
naman
Mount
ganito.
Rushmore. Please,
Sayang ang
please.
outfit check.
Sayang ang mga outfit namin. We have a beautiful, especially me, my beautiful outfit.
May release pa ng trend dito.
Si Kuya Billy.
Shout out kay Kuya Billy, really.
Oo. Shout out to Alfred. Hi, Alfred. Sige. Bye-bye na.
Ito yung Adoration Chapel.
Where's the donut?
Okay. So, nandito kami sa may Ross. Yan, si Cassie, si Rizzy, si Mommy
I
yan.
bought some Kinder Eggs.
Got some Kinder Eggs. Wow. So, bali ngayon, nag-aantay lang kami ng oras. And it's around 11 o'clock in the morning. We'll try to have some lunch first bago kami magpunta dun sa Mount Rushmore. With the Mount Rushmore, it's 40 minutes drive. Ang problema nga lang talaga ngayong month ng May is, ayan, maulan. Kanina sobrang lakas ng ulan. And then, yung fog, yung clouds, hindi nakikita yung mga mountain dyan. So, we'll try to do some lunch. Kasama sila kuya na nandoon sa kabila. Saka si Kuya Billy na namimili pa. Pumunta sila ng Burlington ba yun?
Sino pumunta?
Sila Kuya Billy. Tapos, yun, punta kami sa Mount Rushmore. So ito lang yung araw namin, ito lang yung day namin, rain or shine na to. So papatilayan lang namin ng konti yung ulan with the window of between 3 to 4 p.m. Magli-clear yung sky or mawawala yung, siguro hindi naman mawawala pero magkakaroon lang ng ng konting window para makita yung Mount Rushmore na hindi umuulan. So yan lang, may yung update namin ngayon.
Guys, today we're driving to Mount Rushmore, and Mommy Sal and Dad and Tito Brian went ahead of us, and my daddy said,
Steady with the camera.
Yeah.
Steady.
and my daddy said it's better to be safe than sorry. So yeah, so guys, we're here right now. Yo, there's some smoke right there. Guys, do you see that? There's smoke. Or is that clouds? Yeah. I think those are clouds. There's my daddy. He said he was going 60. And I told him to go 59.